Hey y'all, quick video here on how to remove the headrest retainers off your 2011 through 2019 Ford Explorer. May work for other similar models as well. To remove it, I used a large crescent wrench and a flathead screwdriver. The retainer is basically a tube with one tab you'll need to push on to remove the retainer. The push tab should be located on the button side of the retainer. Position the flathead screwdriver over the tab to get ready to depress it. Position your crescent wrench under the retainer and provide some pulling force on the retainer. You shouldn't have to give it much force if you're getting the tab depressed correctly. The retainer should pop out. It's easy to remove if you know how it works, but difficult if you don't. So if you found this video to be helpful, please leave a like or comment for me.